Now we will see a simple numerical on the design of knuckle joint. It is required to design a knuckle joint to connect two circular rods subjected to an axial force of 50 kN. The rods are coaxial and small amount of angular movement between the axes is permissible. Design the joint and specify dimensions of its component. Select suitable material for part. Grade 30C8 SYD 400 Newton per mm square and factor of safety is 5. So first of all we will see the calculation of permitted stresses. Sigma T is equal to S by T upon factor of safety which is 80. Sigma C is equal to S by C upon factor of safety that is 80 mm. And tau shear stress is equal to 0.5 S by T upon factor of safety which is 40 Newton per mm square. So step 1, as we have seen our stepwise design, find out diameter of each rod that is 4p upon pi sigma t. If we put the value we are getting 30 mm. Step 2, okay, it will be a step 2 actually, you can, or we can call it as step 2. Step 1 is calculate permissible stresses. Step 2 and now step 3, dimensions a and b. A is equal to 0.75 d which is 25 mm and b is equal to 1.25 d which is 40 mm. Then diameter of pin. Diameter of pin small d can be found by two ways, one by bending and another by shear stress. So by shear stress 2p upon pi tau which is 30 mm and d by using bending stress which is 40 mm. Now fifth step, find out d0 and d. So d0 is equal to twice of d which is 80 mm and d1 is equal to 1.5 d which is 60 mm. Now next is we have to check the stresses. Now sigma t is equal to p upon b in bracket d0 minus d which is 31.25 which is less than 80 Newton per mm square. From where we are getting this 80 Newton per mm square? If we see here, sigma t is equal to 80 Newton per mm square. So sigma t after stress calculation should be less than 80, sigma c should be less than 80 and tau should be less than 40 mm. So let us see the next one. So sigma c is equal to p upon bd which is 31.25, again less than 80, so design is safe. Tau is equal to p upon b in bracket d0 minus d which is 31.25 again which is less than 40 Newton per mm square. So here I, design of I is safe against tensile stress, again crushing stress and again shear stress. Next we have to check the design for fork. Okay, so sigma t is equal to p upon 2a in bracket d0 minus d. If we put the value we are getting 25 which is less than 80. Sigma c 25 Newton per mm square which is less than 80 and tau is equal to 25 Newton per mm square which is also less than 40. So our design of fork is also safe whatever dimensions we have considered. Now if we have to draw a front view, top view and side view, this will be my front view. Front view shows all major dimensions, side view will also show major dimension and top view will show some major dimension. This is all about the design of knuckle joint. Thank you.